You're watching Czar Films Variety Channel. Hi and welcome to the channel. I'm Czar. Today we're just going to show you quickly how to package a Matchbox or Hot Wheels car for shipping without it getting damaged. I ordered a Matchbox car recently, and it was shipped in a paper envelope, and the cardboard got all mangled, which most collectors don't want to have their cardboard destroyed, especially if it's a car they're seeking. So we're going to quickly show you how to package a Matchbox or Hot Wheels car safely for packaging through the mail. Okay, you're going to need a couple of things to do this. You're going to need some bubble wrap, you're going to need some scotch tape, you're going to need packing tape, and most importantly, you're going to need a 5 by 7 by 2 inch packing box. So we ordered a bunch of these. We're going to go ahead and form this into the box. Very simple. The slots are in. Alright. And there you have your packing box. Now this is actually the perfect size for your Matchbox. You can fit actually 2 in here. So what we're going to do is show you how to go ahead and wrap the Matchbox car. So what you want to do is make sure that you don't get any tape onto the actual package that you're taping. So you don't want any tape on the cardboard or the product. This way nobody complains or it doesn't damage it. Same thing on this side. We'll go on the back side like that. Now, once you've done that, you've got your cardboard packaged, and now you go ahead and get your shipping box. Real simple. I'm going to go ahead and place one this way, and then you can fit 2. So we flip this one upside down, place it right inside there. Make sure you go ahead and close it. And then we like to put a piece of tape along the edge here. And you can hear it's really secure. They're not going anywhere, they're not going to get crushed. Put a nice long piece along the edge there. There we go, and I like to put a piece there. And likewise on the other side. So now you've got a really secure shipping box for mailing your Matchbox and Hot Wheels through the mail. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below. Please smash that like button. Please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.